Hi everyone, Milena is here. One short recording about curiosity and challenges. In my experience, considering that I am a very curious person, I bring to myself a lot of challenges. And it was a long process before I start to accept and recognize those challenges as a gift and find out that they are actually directly connected to that curious mind of mine. So here it is, one of those days where my curiosity just stretches my comfort zone and of course brings new challenges. What I do, first and foremost, I take time for myself to go to the beach or mountains, wherever I am, nearest to the nature, and reconnect to that inner self that is really everything that surrounds me in nature. The rocks, the water, the birds, the sand, the trees, just everything. I get lost in that beauty. I get fulfilled. I get recharged. I get amazed. My vibrations and frequencies are raised in 5 minutes or less. So, that would be probably first step. The second step I usually take when I'm challenged. I create and the purpose for creating in those moments is opening up to my true self, becoming a vessel that channels out all that emotional pain or low vibration energies that blocking me and brings fear, perhaps. So that's simple, yes, but it works with me and for me every time. So here we go. Another short message. Enjoy your day and speak to you soon. Bye for now.